In Sparrow ERP, procurement is a process of acquiring stock for fulfillment of sales order. In a source and sell scenario, this is done by sourcing your items from suppliers and offering them to customer with a margin. We will see how this is done in this demo. Procurement is initiated by clicking this generate procurement button in either sales quotation or sales order. When you click on that button, a pop-up will open with a list of items selected for procurement. On top, you will see the drop-down of suppliers. From there, you can select one or multiple suppliers. We will select two suppliers and click on the Create Procurement button. That will result in two purchase inquiries for two selected suppliers. These purchase inquiries will be visible within the sales quotation in Purchasing tab. At the same time, these inquiries will be visible in Purchasing section 2, so that purchase team can send it to suppliers for getting offers. For this demo, I will skip the purchasing flow and take already processed purchase inquiries. So now we have our offers from two suppliers. We can start the comparison. To do that, click on the compare button here. That will open the comparison screen with prices from two suppliers. On this screen, we can visually compare the prices by two suppliers and choose the best offer for each item. On click of this Update Records button, system will update sales quotations unit prices by adding margin to supplier's offer price. In addition, system will also update individual purchase inquiries by removing items not selected from the suppliers during the comparison process. You can manage the percentage of margin from the settings.